Hello, little hippo fam. So today I am going to show you how to use the scissor heat transfer vinyl. So here I have the SISER Easycolor DTV and I have the transfer sheet as well. So you have to have that if you want to transfer this to the t-shirt. Let's go ahead and see how to use it. So first you need to upload your design onto Cricut Design Space. That's what I'm using. I do not have the background remover, so I have done that in Canva before, so I don't have any backgrounds on the pictures on the design itself. So I am going to upload it here, and I know the dimensions that I am going to be using, so I just set that here and fix everything here on the designs on the space, on the Cricut Design Space, and send it for printing. So we are printing and then cutting the design. So the vinyl that you're seeing here, on one side you see a white, kind of a matte white, and on the other side is kind of gray. So you are going to print on the white side of the vinyl. And my printer is Inkjet. It's not something very special. I just set it for best and kind of glossy. That's what I use for these kind of vinyls. And as you see, this is the quality. It's pretty good. You can see all the colors. Now here, when you're sitting it on the mat, I have discovered that if you align the paper from left, the left bar is kind of more important, you will have a better cut. And then on Cricut Design Space, choose the material set for printable vinyl. Then align it with the left bar again here, and we set it for cut. Okay, so I forgot to film how I moved the design to the transfer sheet, but this is the transfer sheet. It's pretty easy. You just rip it from the backing and then put it on your design on the vinyl. You kind of need to weed first and then put it on the design, and then you'll have all the design on the transfer sheet. It's kind of sticky. It is going to stick onto your t-shirt material. Then you are going to set your, if you have an easy press or if you have iron or heat press, whichever that you're using, you're going to set the t-shirt, and this is what I'm using to know the center of my t-shirt. Then after that, after knowing the center of your t-shirt, you need to put the heat press on there so that you don't have any wrinkles, no moistures. And you can use this on cotton, polyester, any kind of fabric you can use this on. It's really fascinating. And then put your design on it. Be very exact of where you're putting it. Straight line if you have a straight line, and exactly where you want it to be, and then set it for 320 Fahrenheit. And I used 17 seconds. I use it for 17 seconds. And just that, you don't need to do anything else. You just need to peel it off, and it's so smooth and so satisfying. Then look at this. Look at the colors, so vibrant, so glossy. And if you had a parchment paper on top of it, it would be matte. So I wanted it to be glossy. And look at the stretch. Just look at the stretch. It's perfect. It's not like the typical vinyls that you have that they rip off when you stretch the t-shirt. It's very good, and I hope you liked it.